Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find dark mode settings on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First, first click here on these three lines here. Now click on this settings icon, and now here you'll find dark mode system. Click on it. Here you can manage your dark mode settings. You can turn it on or turn it off, and that's it for today. That's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.